Hello! A while back my wife asked me to make a cupboard for all her bags to put them in. And me being me, I of course had to make some suggestions to better ways of doing things. And usually when you hang a bag, you hang it in a hook like this, and that destroys the shape of the bag, I'd say. And yeah, so I thought, why not use a hole saw and take these things and put these on the wall or in the cupboard, and you could hang the bags like this, thus being kind of like a shoulder and shouldn't destroy the shape of the bag. This did not, of course, happen, and we ended up making a cupboard that she painted, very nice, and with just shelves that we put the bags on, thus not destroying them either, so that's good. But in the process of making those, I figured that the holes for these, the cutouts like this, would make a really good guitar hanger. So I took the holes and made guitar hangers out of that. So today I'd like to show you how to make these really sturdy guitar hangers that you can put guitars, bass guitars, and also if you use a really small hole, you can use them to also place your ukulele. So let me show you how to, in 10 minutes, make these, and if you have many guitars, you have some place to put them up very cheaply. So building this, I began by drilling the holes. So I drilled 2 holes very close to each other, as you can see on this picture, and then I just cut them in half. And then just with a knife I cleaned up the front hole so that a guitar would fit in there, and I did a few dry fits just to make sure that the different guitars fit in that hole, and then I did the same on the other one. And then a lot of sanding just to get it down to get all the edges nice and smooth so I wouldn't destroy the guitar. And adding a bit of glue on the back side, as this was a first attempt to make it strong enough to hang on the wall without a back piece, which I'll show in a minute. And then going outside, doing more sanding and filing just to really make it smooth. I also added a small indentation on the top side of the hanger, and this was just to really make the guitar hang in place, so it wouldn't slip out in any way if it was not correctly put into the hanger. And then a coat of lacquer on that to make sure that it's nice and doesn't get too much dust on it. Back inside I made the holes for mounting it to the wall, but I quickly realized that I didn't dare to just hang them on the wall without, just because when you just use wood like I do now here, it's very easy that it cracks when you put pressure from the inside with a screw. So I added another piece of wood in the other orientation, thus making it more rigid as it had. So I glue it together, one in each strand direction, and that made it really strong. And the finished product, so to say, looks like this, and put on the wall, and you just slide the guitar in and turn it like so. There is a small indentation there, and the smaller variant for the ukulele looks like that. Just had to add another piece because it hit the wall. It was not long enough. And also for bass guitars, same thing, just swivel it in. And a bass guitar is quite heavy, so it can withstand quite some weight. So, hope you like this and that you now have a place to hang your guitars soon. And here you see the cupboard that I talked about in the beginning. And of course it is the front that is the nice part of this cupboard. So anyway, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.